Welcome back to Living Las Vegas and Henderson. Today we are checking out Tri Pointe Homes in the Atlas community. This is the only single story. It is 2,021 square feet. There are several models here, but this is the only single story, and we're going to check this out today.
All right, over here we have a nice flex space that they're using as a den. And then in here you've got a secondary bedroom with a full ensuite. You can easily close this off, so it's a private ensuite.
We've got one of the bedrooms downstairs. It's a standard 12 by 12. We'll check out the dual sink, undermount quartz countertops. What do you guys think about this flooring? Certainly an interesting choice, if I say so. And we've got a glass enclosed tub shower combo with a step over. I really like this, having this little extra lounge space in between the two bedrooms downstairs. Certainly great if you have kids or if you just have company over, better feel to them. It's another standard bedroom. Let's go back this way. So we do have a half bath in the hallway here. Just a typical half bath. We've got the downstairs laundry room. Very convenient in between all the bedrooms. And finally, the best part is the downstairs living space. We've got great sized living room leading over to the primary. And then we've got our wonderful kitchen.
This kitchen is great for entertaining. This whole space is. It's completely open floor plan. You can see everything with these sight lines. It's an awesome floor plan.
Certainly agree. We've got gas stovetop, and we've got the wall-mounted oven, I should say. I like the glass cabinetry. What do you guys think about that? Is that your thing? I know it's not for everyone. I like having the dining room here close by, and check out the view of the backyard. You've got a barbecue area over here. Still have some space in the corner, and then a great sized pool. You don't usually see pools this big in the models here, and a nice covered patio area here. What a great backyard. And finally, we're gonna check out the primary bedroom. I love the accent wall there. Decent sized room. We're looking at a 15 by 14. And then right into the primary bathroom. We have an enclosed shower here with dual faucets. Nice bench in there. Give us a thumbs up, come on. We've got dual undermounted sinks, and finally, our walk-in closet. Thanks for joining us on our tour today. Today we're in the southwest area of the Las Vegas area in Southridge. The builder was Tri Pointe Homes. We're in the Atlas Model Plan 1. It is the only single story in the community, and what a fantastic floor plan. I really love this one. Tell us a little bit more.
So about lot premiums here. So these are pretty affordable. They're between $1,000 and $5,000 for a standard lot size, but on this single story, you can actually get a 1/4 acre, and that's gonna run you between $75,000 and $100,000 though, so.
That is very rare here in the Las Vegas and Henderson area to get a new build at that size of lot. So take advantage. If space is what you need, this is a spot to consider. If you're interested in more information, click the link below. We'd love to help you out and get you into your dream home. We're taking these tours so you don't have to. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day.
See you next time.